spent 6 days covering AI tools that save you hundreds of hours, time, effort, and energy. But there's one tool I haven't shown you yet. You're getting it December 12th. Let me explain. So instead of spotlighting one more tool, which I will as a bonus, but you got to stay till the end, I'm doing something different. I'm wrapping up the entire past 6 days showing you how all these tools work together and telling you what's coming on December 12th. Because AI week, that's really just a warm up. December 12th is the main event. Let's break it down here. So what we covered over the full 6 days. Day 1, we talked about Opus Clip. Repurpose one long video into 10 to 27 short clips automatically. No editing, just upload, let Opus find the best moments and export. Time saved, multiple hours per week. Day 2, we talked about Submagic. Add scroll stopping animated captions and B-roll to your videos. 85% of people watch videos on mute. If you don't have captions, you're typically invisible. But not basic white subtitles, animated captions, and B-roll that make people stop scrolling. I use Submagic on every video this week. Day 3, we talked about Google Flow. Here we created AI-generated videos from nothing but text prompts. Each prompt generated 7 to 8 seconds of video, but you can add scenes and build longer content. Still, no filming, no camera, no crew required. Day 4, we talked about building your AI tech stack. This was the strategy day. I showed you how to stop collecting tools like they was infinity stones and start building an actual system. Tools that work together, not just sitting in your bookmarks unused. Return on investment over features. Day 5, AiPRO for culturally smart images. This one's personal because I built it, right? AiPRO, that's AiPRO, creates culturally smart stock images that let your audience see themselves in your branding. Not generic corporate stock photos, images that reflect your audience's culture, context, and reality. Plus messaging and copywriting all in one place. Day 6, HeyGen. We talked about creating training videos without filming. Your AI twin or your AI character, your representative for your brand, delivers the script. You save hundreds of hours on creating course content, training videos, onboarding content, all the things. Now, here's what ties it all together. These tools don't replace you. They scale you. They expand your knowledge. They allow you to be in more places than you yourself will be able to be in at one time. Opus Clip repurposes your content. Submagic makes it professional with B-roll. Google Flow fills content gaps. AiPRO handles images and messaging. HeyGen creates training videos. That's a system, not just random tools. Now, because I want to make sure I still give you one tool, I have a bonus tool that I want to showcase for you today. If you were wondering how I was able to create all those YouTube video thumbnails, you're going to love today. I've been using this tool all week to create incredibly engaging YouTube thumbnails in seconds. Listen, I know you're like, okay, what's so special about that? Your thumbnail on YouTube is the first thing people see. If your thumbnail doesn't stop the scroll, nobody watches your video. Submagic makes creating engaging thumbnails fast. Templates, AI generated text, design elements. I use it for every AI week video this week. Let me show you how it works. All right, so what we're looking at right here is like the basic home page. Before you get to this page, when you sign up, it's going to ask you to upload a video of yourself. I just uploaded one headshot, just one headshot, and it's been creating my images. So here's some things that I just did for the most recent video. But to create a thumbnail for your video, you simply tap Generate Thumbnail. And you see it's working. It says Analyze Video Content, creating 3 thumbnail variants. So it gives you 3 options at a time. And I'm going to show you how this works from start to finish. But let me show you the editing first, and then I'll go back through and show you how it works from start to finish. So it's creating. It tells you how long, about 20 seconds. So it's mere seconds that you get them. It says to stop wasting hours creating, create instantly. All right. And so you can go in and you can edit this. So let's say you're like, change yellow text to orange hex code DF5F25. And then you can say, she has on a blue shirt right now. You can change the shirt color. but then you want to say generate thumbnail. And so it does it all over again, and it changes that particular thumbnail. So you want to make sure you choose the one you like most first, and then you go back in and edit that one. And how it's set up is Submagic based. It works on a credit system. So I started, I think, with 100 credits, and you see it change the yellow text to orange here. All right. So let me go to the home start. So this is just all the things that I've created right here. All right. And then you want to go to create thumbnail. This is how you start. So if I had a YouTube video link, say I wanted to go back and create thumbnails for all of my previous YouTube videos, I could just add the link here and it would create those. But I have a new one that I want to create, so I just have a transcript, or you can upload the actual video. Transcript is much easier and faster. And I copy and paste my transcript here, and then you go to process, and it processes it. So basically what it's doing is it's making sure that the thumbnail it creates is relevant to the video that you're sharing, right? So you got to give it some type of context of what you're going to be talking about. And then you choose your thumbnail type. This is the one that I've been using, so I'm probably just going to do this one. But as you see, there's multiple. I think on day one, I did this before and after one. You could do the object in your hand. You could do a blueprint. You can do an explainer video. So let me try. I'm going to try an explainer video this time. All right, and then you just want to go to generate thumbnails, and the estimated time is 20 seconds. So it's analyzing your video content, and it's going to always give you it's always going to give you 3 options, right? And so from those 3 options, you can choose which one you like best. You can edit it from there. I think the yellow text is pretty standard of what it typically does. So I typically will go in. Sometimes I've been keeping the yellow text sometimes and just changing it to a brand color, because I'm testing out to see which one is more engaging and folks are popping in. So this is from the one headshot that I uploaded. And these are really funny. So I'll probably use something like this. It's fun, it's cute, it's different. Again, I'm in my testing phase. She has my blue color shirt on, so I don't need to change anything. But if I wanted to put change the green to orange, I could do that. So let's say I want to go to editing. I like this blue one. Change green text to orange. Hex code DF5F25. Generate thumbnail. And so 20 seconds to create the one version that you asked for. Now remember, when you ask it to make some edits, you're only editing the one you like. So make sure you're clicking on the one you like for it to make those edits. It's not going to change all 3 of them. And so here it is up here. It did my 6 tools and it put everything in orange for me. All right. So that's the one I love, and I'm going to download that. And it's just that easy. Okay. Now here's what I really want to talk about. December 12th. I'm doing something I'm calling the AI State of the Union. All week I've been showing you tools that help you create content faster, but there's one thing I haven't shown you yet. The tool that ties everything together, the missing piece that makes all of this actually convert. But here's the thing. You can create all the content in the world, but if your messaging doesn't connect, nobody's buying. December 12th, I'm revealing what I've been building, and it's going to change how you think about AI, human expertise, and content creation. Mark your calendar for December 12th, AI State of the Union. Be there. And there you have it. That's AI Week. 7 days, 6 tools, 1 system. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that bell, because on December 12th, you're not going to want to miss this. All right, let's get into it.